Hello, welcome to my next video for the Internet Marketing Expert.net channel. My name is Stephen Milner, and in this video we're going to talk about which advertising is best. Facebook vs YouTube. Stay tuned to discover which one I think is best. This video is an explanation and more about which advertising is best. Either is it Facebook or YouTube. Now, I've used both in the past, and to be honest, I prefer Facebook. Facebook and YouTube offer different types of advertising. Facebook is a social network, and YouTube is the second biggest search engine in the world, but for videos. I feel that Facebook is more in your face advertising opportunities, and YouTube is, hey, we do let people advertise, and when they see it, they can click on it if there's interest. That's if it's the banner ads. But where the ads come in more in favour on YouTube is for video. And what I like about the YouTube advertising is it's for this advertising in search. So if you've got a YouTube channel, you can target with YouTube advertising, keywords, channels, so you can pop it, you can appear in a search that you would not normally appear in, and you'll be the top. Now, maybe that would work best, or can work best, if you are lower down the keywords and you become number one because you pay for it, and you start getting ranked more because you're getting seen more for that keyword. That's just a little strategy which I've used in the past, and it's worked. Now, Facebook, most of its advertising, you appear within its social wall. That's what I tend to do a lot of advertising on when I do. I also have a group of publications I run for myself and my other clients, and I advertise their articles to the followers or to targeted audiences who I would like to see these ads, and we advertise on their wall, and they see it, click it, and either click out onto the publication websites, for example, or sometimes we advertise the channel and say, we would like to promote it to you. We give you this in the channel, and it helps grow the channel, or the Facebook group, for example, or Facebook page. Question: if you are on Facebook, should you advertise on YouTube? And if you're on YouTube, should you advertise on Facebook? You might be thinking, that's a bit of a daft idea, isn't it? Actually, not really. Not really, in my opinion, anyway. Now, if you are on Facebook and you add a YouTube video onto Facebook, you have two options. Well, actually, just a video, okay? If you add a YouTube link, what happens is YouTube will show the image of the video thumbnail, but will not show a live version of the video. So you have to click out. Okay. Now, if you want to show people the video on YouTube, as you would do similar to on Facebook, you have to add the video to the page or group or the post as a file, and you can do work to it there, edits, for example, not too many edits, but you can then have it automatically playing when it appears on their wall. Okay? And you can advertise that video as a video file on Facebook. Now, how can you advertise a piece of content on YouTube from Facebook? You can't really, to be honest. But on YouTube, what you might want to do is advertise your channel to get subscribers from Facebook. Now, what I would do is I would advertise a video, one of my top videos, and then in the video I would say, if you want to subscribe and find us on YouTube, click the link above. Okay, simple way. You can do more targeting with Facebook ads than you can do on YouTube ads. And that's probably best to help you get subscribers. Now, what I often do is when I produce a video for YouTube, I take the file, I add it to my page on Facebook for the Internet Marketing Expert, and we upload the file, but the video has a link. So the message above us for the video actually has the YouTube link, and we say there, title and then the subscription link, and this helps us get more subscribers. What I don't like about Facebook compared to YouTube is, this is not to do with ads, but this is just general, is if I add a video to YouTube, okay, and I'm targeting a specific keyword, for example, I can appear in the search. So that video can live much longer if it gets into the top 10 of a video in search, for example, or the top 5. If I add a video to Facebook, it only appears to a very small percentage, maybe 1% of it doesn't go viral to my Facebook followers. Okay, so really the video is dead unless it goes viral or I pay for ads. Okay, now Facebook, to do well, and if it's something that doesn't go viral, you have to pay ads I've just mentioned. So if you produce any piece of content, either if it's an article or video or promoting a podcast that you've recorded or launched, or an image, or Facebook, you've got to do a lot more advertising on. But Facebook allows you to delve more deeper into your target market. So let's say you were having an article, it doesn't really need to go out to your full audience of your group, only a target audience within your Facebook page, for example. You can manage that with ads. So for example, if you wrote an article which is more targeted at women more than men, and therefore you were going to get more traction off, maybe you have an affiliate art product you want to promote, and it's more targeted at women, so therefore you can post it on your your Facebook page, and therefore you can then advertise that out to your followers. You can do that as well on YouTube, but you can't really delve into much. I just feel that the advertising opportunities and options are better on Facebook.